Welcome! Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I will show you how we can turn on or turn off auto guidance. So the first you have to go for the settings button on your remote control. Next you have to go for the all settings. Right now go for the accessibility. Find audio guidance. And then simply tap on the right upper corner to turn it on.
If you turn audio guidance on, you can only move with left, right, back, down buttons on your remote, and so apps that require the pointer cannot be used.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Button.
click OK to confirm.
Audio guidance. Audio guidance.
And as you can see, as you can hear, the auto guidance is turned on, and we can change here the speed, volume, pitch, and we can go back.
General.
And as you can see, it works really well.
Accessibility. Accessibility. Audio guidance on.
Yeah, I'm going to turn it off because I don't need this feature to be enabled, but if you need, that's how we can activate this feature. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.